This is so beautiful. They call this fall the Niagara Falls of the South. There is no such thing as homelessness. There's only houselessness. The earth is everybody's home. The earth gives us everything that we need, free. The world gave us houses, and they are not free. The reason they gave us houses is to disconnect us from the earth, our source of life. The world wants to sell us everything that God gave us free. Do you realize how they make houses? They destroy the trees. This is the key characteristic of the people in the world. They want to destroy the earth. They're called tillers because that's what Adam and Eve became when they left the garden. In the beginning, they were making the garden beautiful. But when they were transformed, they became tillers of the ground, digging up the earth, ripping her apart. How can we bring this system to an end? By spreading the same message that Yeshua, the Son of God, shared with us. The truth is what sets us all free from the bondage of this world. But if you want peace, come out in nature. Nature is Yahweh's territory. Ain't nobody gonna bother you out here. I can't even get internet right now. The only signal that Yahweh wants you to get when you come out in nature is His. This is free. Frees your mind, body, and soul. Helps you to glow.